Have you ever heard a strange noise from your car and thought, it'll probably go away? That's exactly what millions of drivers do, and it often leads to expensive repairs. Your car usually warns you before something fails. You just have to listen. Here are 10 car noises you should never ignore, and the last one could save your engine. 10. Brake squealing. A high-pitched squeal when braking usually means your brake pads are wearing thin. Replacing them early is much cheaper than replacing damaged brake discs. 9. Grinding while braking. If you hear a harsh metal-on-metal grinding sound, your brake pads may already be completely worn out. This is a serious safety issue that needs immediate attention. 8. Engine knocking. A knocking or pinging sound from the engine could be caused by improper combustion or internal engine wear. Ignoring it can lead to severe engine damage. 7. Clicking while turning. If you hear repeated clicking when making sharp turns, a worn CV joint is one of the most common causes. Replacing it early is far less expensive than waiting for it to fail. 6. Loud exhaust noise. If your car suddenly becomes much louder than usual, there may be an exhaust leak. Besides reducing performance, harmful exhaust gases could enter the cabin. 5. Hissing under the hood. A hissing sound often means coolant, air, or vacuum is escaping. Left untreated, it can lead to overheating or poor engine performance. 4. Whining that gets louder with speed. This may indicate problems with the transmission, wheel bearings, power steering, or drive belts. The sooner it's diagnosed, the less likely it is to become a major repair. 3. Clunking over bumps. Hearing heavy clunks when driving over potholes or speed bumps often points to worn suspension parts, such as ball joints, bushings, or stabilizer links. 2. Loud ticking from the engine. A ticking noise may indicate low engine oil, worn valve components, or poor lubrication. If it suddenly appears, check the oil level as soon as it's safe. And number 1. Any new noise that appears suddenly. Your car knows what's normal, and so should you. If a sound appears out of nowhere and keeps getting worse, don't ignore it. Small problems almost always cost less to fix than major breakdowns. Remember, your car can't speak, but it can make sounds. Listening to those warning signs today could save you thousands in repairs tomorrow.